You've just cashed your latest paycheck, and you're eyeing that new pair of sneakers or maybe that weekend getaway. But before you hit that checkout button, a question pops up. Can you actually use those funds right away? And what if I told you there's a bank that might just have the answer to your money woes? Today, we're diving deep into Varo Bank to find out if it's the direct deposit dream you've been searching for. Let's face it, payday can feel like a distant, elusive concept. You work hard, you earn your money, but those precious dollars seem to take forever to show up in your account. It's like waiting for a snail to win a race. Frustrating, right? So, when a bank promises early access to your paycheck, it's like discovering a hidden treasure chest. But is Varo Bank the real deal, or is it just another shiny object? Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of Varo and direct deposit, let's quickly break down what direct deposit actually is. It's basically a fancy term for getting your paycheck or government benefits electronically deposited directly into your bank account. No more waiting in line at the bank or worrying about lost checks. It's convenient, fast, and reduces the risk of errors. But here's the kicker. Not all banks are created equal when it comes to direct deposit. Some banks hold onto your money for days, while others give you access to it almost immediately. So, back to Varo. What sets it apart? Well, one of the biggest selling points is their promise of early direct deposit. That means you could potentially have your paycheck in your account up to 2 days earlier than with traditional banks. Can you imagine the possibilities? Spontaneous shopping sprees? Rent paid on time without stress? The financial freedom sounds enticing, doesn't it? But let's be real, there's always a catch, right? So, what are the conditions for this early direct deposit magic? Is it available for everyone? Are there specific types of income that qualify? We're about to uncover all the details. First things first, to even consider Varo for your direct deposit, you need to open an account. It's an online-only bank, so you won't find any physical branches. But don't let that scare you off. Many people are ditching traditional banks in favor of digital options because of the convenience and potential cost savings. Once you've got your Varo account up and running, it's time to set up direct deposit. Don't worry, it's usually a pretty straightforward process. You'll need to provide your account and routing number to your employer or benefits provider. This information can typically be found within the Varo app. Now, let's talk about those early direct deposits. As mentioned, Varo offers the potential to get your paycheck up to 2 days early. But it's important to note that this feature isn't guaranteed for everyone. Some factors can influence when you actually receive your funds, such as when your employer submits the payroll information. Additionally, not all types of direct deposits are eligible for early access. Government benefits, for example, might have different rules. So, it's essential to do your research or contact Varo directly to clarify any doubts. Another thing to keep in mind is that while early direct deposit can be a game changer, it's not a free lunch. Varo is a business after all, and they need to make money. So, how do they do it? Well, there are a few ways. One common method is through overdraft fees. If you accidentally overdraw your account, you could face charges. That's why it's crucial to monitor your balance closely and avoid spending more than you have. But it's not all doom and gloom. Varo also offers some fee-free features, such as no monthly maintenance fees and no ATM fees at MoneyPass ATMs. So, while there are potential costs to consider, there are also ways to save money by banking with Varo. So, is Varo the perfect bank for everyone? Probably not. But if you're looking for a convenient, online-based option with the potential for faster access to your paycheck, it's definitely worth considering. Just make sure to do your due diligence, read the fine print, and weigh the pros and cons before making a decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving!